morning, all of you. We are happily celebrating our 79th Independence Day. Let us salute the efforts of our forefathers and our defense forces who have made this possible. If we are clearing an independent status today, it is because of the sacrifices made by our forefathers and our defense forces. We salute their efforts, and as far as it is possible, whenever there is an opportunity to serve our defense personnel, it should be our first priority to serve them. They are all taking care of the borders of our nation. At the same time, as health soldiers, it is our responsibility as medical and paramedical workers to safeguard the health aspects of our nation. It is with immense pleasure I thank all of you for participating in the 79th Independence Day celebrations today. We take this opportunity to rededicate ourselves to have the best possible service to the mankind from whatever position we are. And this is an education institution where we are striving for excellence. And thanks to our Chairman and MD, M.R. Muthaya, and Chancellor, Gita Muthaya Madam, we are having a great campus and a wonderful university. It is our responsibility to add further glory to our university and serve the mankind as responsible citizens. I wish success in all your endeavors, and I wish the students a glorious future for them in future. Thank you one and all for this wonderful arrangements. Now I give the mic to our Dean Madam, Prof. Meenakshi.
Thank you so much. And I would say I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day, 79th Independence Day today. And at this moment, we remember all our soldiers, warriors, patriots who sacrificed us led us to this one. We know now, even now, world is facing a crucial period where so much of possibility of another war. So we will all be united. Actually, as healthcare worker, as our Vice Chancellor said, we will strive hard to make this healthcare system a brilliant one. We will all serve the nation through our healthcare system. I wish you all a very happy 79th Independence Day, and we will strive hard to save our nation.